I'm going to show you how to change an Acer laptop screen that's broken. Just a couple tools you're going to need. You are going to need pry, star head. That's all the tools you should need. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead, start prying this off. So just pry it like that. Should come all the way around. Get in here. Sorry, I don't have a webcam or anything, but okay. Once you got that off, it's very easy. You got 4 screws here. One there, one there, one there, and one here. Okay. Take them screws out. It's going to be 10 minutes to change this whole thing. If that. One screw, just tape up, 2 screw, three screw, and the 4th screw. There we go. Make sure your laptop's not plugged in or has any power either. I suggest just folding this down. It's just got this tape right here. Just want to lift it off. Pull this out very carefully, not to break it. And that's part 1 done. Part 2, you put this in. Make sure this gets snugged in really good. Come on. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and see if it works first. I'm going to put it all together. Make sure the screen doesn't work. So let's go ahead and turn it on. There, she works. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and turn it off then. Come on. There we go. So that works. I'm going to put the tape back on. Maybe she doesn't fall out of place. There. This will sit in little nubs up here. Okay. There we go. Tuck all that. Okay. Got the screwdriver. Screw the 4 back in. Okay, screw that one back in. Pull the tape down. Do the other three.
Jeffrey.
Now you put the other ones back in. Right here. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Oops. Now back in. There we go. Tuck that wire like that. Make sure it's all tucked. So I got one screw here, one screw with the tape, another screw, another one there. So, yeah, I left my plastic on too, so I guess you'd peel it off now. And let's go attach this. There we go. That's the other bottom one. Looks like it's in. Let's go back and just snip. Oh. All right. I believe it's all attached. Tight. All right. That's how you do the Acer. And that one is let's see. So that's the Acer model number. All right.